Look, this literally looks like it could be on my hair. My goodness. Then I section it up again, kind of like my crown bangs area, and then the middle half. Again, take smaller sections.
You and me are born of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win. Leading every dance, feeling every touch, and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible. We're invincible.
And then the last thing I do is I go in with the shine spray. Spray all over, especially on my ends. Then I'll brush it out. And then I just go in with my straightener. And I just bump the ends. This way it makes it look a little healthier. After wearing your hair curly for a long time, it tends to make your ends look a little raggedy. me so like you can see the difference. And that is it, guys. So I have a few tips for when straightening hair. My first one is to invest in a good straightener. The one I got is from Sally's, $60, but I got it on sale for $50, which is actually super cheap for a straightener, especially a really good one. My second tip is to use light oils and serums. Do not use a heavy oil because it'll make your hair super heavy and not lightweight, and it won't, like, it doesn't just bounce by itself. But when you have like light oils and serums, it bounces and looks super nice. The third one is to always use a heat protectant. You always want to make sure you're protecting your hair from heat damage. It prevents long-term damage to your hair and just overall makes it look healthier. And my fourth tip is to work in smaller sections. This way you can hit your roots better and it won't be like super big and out there, because you're actually straightening all the way to your roots. Whereas if you have big sections, you don't exactly get all of your roots. Those are my top 4 tips. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social medias. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.